Good day everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to turn on high performance power mode on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So just press Window and R and open the Run window, or you can simply do a right click in the Start icon and click on Run. Once you do that, type powercfg.cpl. Once you have typed it, hit OK, and a new window will appear like this. So once you're here, see if you have high performance or ultra high performance plan, and once you just select it, congratulations, you have selected the high performance. But let's say if you don't have the high performance any and you only see the balance just like me in the computer. So for that, here we need to click on Change Plan Settings, and then you will find Change Advanced Power Settings. And here we have this processor power management. In the processor power management, the minimum processor state should be 0 to 5% on battery and plugged in, and the maximum should be 100% on battery and plug-in. So once you've done that, just restart the computer and see the change in your computer performance. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. And guys, if your computer is running slow, you can optimize and clean up your computer, and you can watch this video. Have a wonderful day.